Hello YouTube, this is Tumultuous Frog here today. I am with the clan Wolf Pride. Now I am in second in command. This is my first video. So if you would like to join Wolf Pride, please invite or send a message to Chewy, Silverback, Skitty, myself, or Zach. I will play a little game. Okay, does anybody have anything to say to the members? Or video watchers?
Hey guys. Yo. These lives is this one here. What? I completed the campaign by myself. I'm legendary. I did too. Oh crap.
Okay, here's your game.
Should have waited until the game actually started.
Whatever.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. Yeah, player. Oh, of course, I get the crap. Yeah.
I just got I can't believe it, I got no kills whatsoever. I'm barely going into the mantises anymore.
This good, Aaron?
Yeah, that's good.
Thanks, Zach.
Hey Chewy, come over here. Let me shoot lead at you, please.
Oh crap. What are you? Oh my god. No.
My first kill, yay! Thank.
Hello. Thanks. You.
Oh my god, please no, show mercy.
Yeah. Finally, I got a kill. Of course I got. You there. Is there still somebody? Yeah. I died. Yay. Yay, nothing. I don't think they can top those graphics inside this game. I just don't think so. Waiting for the Xbox 360. Your mom just left the party. Ah, crap. I'm doing terrible. Didn't read my font.
Hi Zach. Who's got damage boost? Switch to the other one. Do you guys have any tips for the YouTube? for Halo, how they might be able to become better players?
Can't play the campaign until you get good at it, and try to complete it on legendary by yourself. And never, ever, ever run straight on that energy sword and grab the hammer player. Okay?
Alright, that's it, YouTube. I apologize for the short video, but my sister's hands are getting tired. It's not that I'll pay her after this, so don't think that I'm being screwed up. Okay? We thank you, and please subscribe at the bottom and leave comments below. Okay? Goodbye, YouTube. Thank you.